The first thing we're going to talk about when it comes to PCS Wireless Sync is the actual setup and connecting of Survey Manager to PCS. And so to do that, what you do is you go into the admin drop down here. A Survey Manager admin is the one that has to do this step, and it is a one-time step. And they're going to get this token here in this screen. If there's not something in this box, simply click Generate New Token and one will render. Otherwise, all you have to do is click Copy here, and then you can close this box. And then we're going to go into PCS. And so to get into that integration screen I was just in, you go to Tools, Options, and then there's Integration on the left-hand side here. And that token that Survey Manager generated is going to go in this PCS Cloud Integration box. Once you have that populated, click Save here. And this is going to connect this PCS environment to Survey Manager. And so from here, you will be able to generate surveys in PCS and send those surveys directly to Survey Manager. And we will walk through that in the next video.